Hey Steve.
Hey Patrick.
So, I heard you've moved to a new flat.
That's right, it's a really good new flat. It's
Perfect.
after reconstruction.
Perfect.
Got everything I need.
I heard a mistake. After reconstruction.
Really?
Yeah.
What's wrong with that?
Well, if you reconstruct a house or flat, you have to knock it down and build it up again.
Oh, so really we should say renovate or redecorate, yes? The
Yes,
flat.
yes.
Yeah, if the
yes.
flat's been redecorated, what does it mean?
You're changing the furniture or the wallpaper, the carpets,
And if you're renovating?
and you're maybe knocking down some walls or changing some rooms. Yeah.
But reconstructing the flat would mean that knocking it down and completely rebuilding it.
Yeah.
So that's my mistake.
Yes.
Ah,
yes,
okay, I
yes,
understand.
yes.
Okay, thank you.